Imagine waking up each morning to the stunning sight of Table Mountain with the tranquil sound of waves just steps away. Welcome to Milnerton, Cape Town's hidden jewel, a coastal haven where rich history meets thrilling adventure and endless opportunity. Whether you're surfing uncrowded waves, uncovering treasures at the vibrant flea market, or golfing with ocean views, Milnerton offers a lifestyle that's simply unmatched. But here's the kicker. This serene suburb is also one of Cape Town's hottest property markets, brimming with potential for savvy investors and dream home seekers alike. Curious to see why Milnerton is the ultimate place to live, invest, and thrive? Stick around, because you won't want to miss what's coming next. Welcome to Milnerton, Cape Town, a hidden paradise where nature's splendor, rich history, and a relaxed coastal lifestyle seamlessly blend together. Whether your heart beats for nature, history, or the promise of a smart investment, Milnerton offers a world of possibilities just waiting to be discovered. Imagine waking up every morning to the awe-inspiring view of Table Mountain, one of the new 7 wonders of nature, right from your window. In Milnerton, this is not just a dream, it's a beautiful reality. The beachfront and lagoon provide some of the most awe-inspiring views, perfect for those moments when you simply need to pause, breathe, and soak in the beauty around you. Did you know Milnerton offers one of the most iconic views of Table Mountain? It's a favorite spot for photographers and nature lovers alike, all vying to capture that perfect, timeless shot. For the thrill seekers, Milnerton Beach is a hidden sanctuary for surfers. With consistent, smooth swells and uncrowded waves, it's the ideal playground for surfers of all skill levels. The best part? You're just minutes away from Cape Town's vibrant city life, allowing you to effortlessly switch between the pulse of the city and the tranquility of the ocean. Even during the busiest times of the year, Milnerton Beach remains a well-kept secret among the surfing community, offering a serene alternative to Cape Town's more crowded spots like Muizenberg and Camps Bay. If your passion lies in the green, Milnerton Golf Club is where dreams take flight. This historic links-style course runs parallel to the ocean, offering not just a game, but an experience, where each swing is framed by stunning views of Table Mountain and Robben Island. Picture yourself teeing off with one of the world's most beautiful backdrops. Now that's what we call a hole-in-one. Established in 1913, Milnerton Golf Club is one of South Africa's oldest and most cherished courses, adored by both locals and international visitors. Every weekend, the Milnerton Flea Market bursts into life, a treasure trove where locals and visitors alike hunt for hidden gems. From rare antiques to handcrafted items, this market is a vibrant reflection of Cape Town's rich and diverse culture. Whether you're an avid collector or simply in search of a unique memento, the Milnerton Flea Market is a haven of discoveries. For over 2 decades, the Milnerton Flea Market has been a beloved community cornerstone, drawing in crowds with its eclectic mix of offerings and its unbeatable seaside location. Milnerton isn't just about picturesque landscapes. It's a place steeped in history. The Milnerton Lighthouse, a steadfast guardian since 1960, stands as a symbol of the area's deep maritime heritage. As you wander through Milnerton, every corner whispers tales from the past, adding a rich layer of depth to this charming coastal suburb. The Milnerton Lighthouse still plays a vital role in guiding ships safely into Table Bay, a beacon of the area's proud maritime legacy. For those who find peace in nature, Milnerton Lagoon is a sanctuary. Home to a vibrant array of bird species, this serene spot offers a gentle escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Whether you're bird watching or simply seeking a quiet moment by the water, the lagoon is where you can truly reconnect with the natural world. Milnerton Lagoon is part of the Table Bay Nature Reserve, a protected area that ensures the preservation of the region's diverse ecosystems, making it a crucial haven for wildlife and conservation efforts. Milnerton strikes the perfect harmony between peaceful living and easy access to urban life. Just 10 kilometers from Cape Town.
Cape Town's bustling city center, you can indulge in the city's vibrant nightlife, culinary delights, and shopping experiences, while still enjoying the serenity of the coast. Whether you're looking to rent, buy, or invest, Milnerton offers an ideal blend of location, lifestyle, and long-term value. Milnerton's property market has experienced steady growth, making it an attractive choice for both first-time buyers and seasoned investors. With its prime location near the city and a tranquil coastal setting, property values in Milnerton are as solid as its stunning views. Milnerton isn't just a snapshot of what is, it's a vision of what's to come. With ongoing infrastructure upgrades and exciting new developments on the horizon, the appeal of Milnerton is set to soar. For investors, this spells potential for impressive rental yields and capital growth, making Milnerton one of Cape Town's most promising property markets. The rise in remote work has further boosted Milnerton's allure, drawing more professionals to homes that offer both convenience and a high quality of life. So what are you waiting for? Whether you're drawn to nature's wonders, a life of adventure, or the promise of a smart investment, Milnerton is the hidden gem you've been seeking. Discover the perfect blend of city convenience and coastal serenity in a place brimming with history, natural beauty, and endless opportunity. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights into Cape Town's top property markets. Join us as we uncover the hidden treasures of this incredible city and let us help you find your next dream home or investment opportunity.